How to make best friend in Snapchat. So you need to have Snapchat Plus subscription for that. This is the feature you're looking for. It's called Pin Number One Best Friend. It's not available in free Snapchat option, unfortunately. So yeah, you need to have Snapchat Plus, and then you go to any profile, tap and hold, and then basically then you can tap pin as your number one best friend. So that's basically how it works, and then you just pin it. In my case, I can only have two best friends in Snapchat Plus, not one, but not like five. And then yeah, you can just switch your best friends. So that's I just made it my best friend, and then in the top part now you will see the shortcut where you only filter out your best friends. So that's where you will see your best friend from here. And then best friends have some really cool features. For example, they have this like Bitmoji avatars together. So yeah, that's just what you can see here. Yeah, that's how you do it. Again, only works with Snapchat Plus paid subscription.